Today, 3 teens charged in the death of Alexa Bartell appeared in court. Bartell died after a rock was thrown through a car windshield back in April. Bartell was not the only victim. The suspects have been linked to at least 7 other crimes involving throwing rocks or other items. Prosecutors outlined the case against the men, who were 18 at the time, and a judge determined there is enough probable cause to take the next step toward a trial.
Your reporter in Jefferson County, Karen Morphett, joins us now from the courtroom in Golden. So, Karen, what did you learn in today's hearing?
Well, Karen, we learned more about what the teens told investigators during their interrogations, including who's pointing the finger at who. And while, as you mentioned, the judge did find probable cause to move closer to a trial, the defense first asked that they discuss potentially separating these cases, which opens the door for 3 separate trials. Now, the defendants, we know, were in court. We saw them sitting beside each other. Each of the defendants, Nicholas, or also known as Mitch Koralchek, Joseph Koenig, and Zachary Kawak, were in court, sitting again in their jail jumpsuits with their hands cuffed together, listening to the case against them. Much of what was shared we knew from the arrest affidavit, that it was cell phone data that led investigators to their suspects, and that the teens knew Alexa Bartell's car had gone off the road, even turning around to drive back and snap a photo. Now, Bartell's family and friends were in the courtroom. They sobbed as prosecutors described that moment and the decision by the defendants not to stop or call for help at that time, instead meeting the next morning to discuss the story they would tell. The defense tried to argue there was no physical evidence linking any of the suspects to the rock that killed Bartell or damaged any of the other vehicles, but we learned that Koralchek admitted he was throwing rocks, that they were throwing rocks, and said, quote, they took it a step too far by targeting not just the cars, but the drivers themselves. Now, we do know that they will be back in court in December. The judge at that time will rule on whether, or will hear arguments on why the cases should be separated or why they shouldn't be separated. And before they can move to trial, that decision will have to be made. They haven't even set a trial date at this time. We're live in Golden. Karen Morphett covering Colorado First.
Certainly just the beginning for all of this. Karen, thank you. Karen is part of your CBS Colorado investigative team. She's your reporter in Jefferson County. So if you have a story idea or a tip for Karen, we sure hope you'll send her an email through our website, cbscolorado.com, or give her a call on our tip line.